So you gotta be impressed by that. Oh, Will, you know how yesterday you were watching snowboarding videos?
Uh-huh.
Because you were...
God, I miss it so much.
Wow. That was sensual.
I'm drooling.
So Will misses snowboarding because there is no snowboarding going on right now. And so this made me think of you when I saw this. Snowcat Ridge, Florida's first snow park, closing for the season. Closing early, actually. This was the first time you had snow in Florida. They launched a snow theme park. You can click the video. I think you can probably play a little bit of it.
It's going to show in a 30-second ad.
Yeah, that's right. That's what we're here for.
Oh,
Foundry Wood. What a weird ad. Oh, it's going to be for Squarespace or something. I thought it was for the actual wood company. Wix, Squarespace, take your bets.
looks like Squarespace.
You're going with Squarespace? I think you're right.
Yeah, I remember.
I haven't used Squarespace in a while.
Are we doing an ad right now?
Yeah, we're doing an ad. We're doing an ad. GoDaddy!
GoDaddy.
Wow, they killed us!
Oh my goodness.
Everybody wants to be your website designer. Anyway, so at this snow park, you could go on a snow tube
Okay.
down these various slides. You could go into a room full of snow. You could play in the snow. I think it was just a novelty
like
to
a
see
igloo?
snow in Florida.
Oh,
It was just fun to see snow in Florida.
yeah.
Anyway, they're closing early. They had some they had some problems. within okay, here's what they propose to do. You get to snow tube, build snowmen, and make snow angels. That's
Okay.
what you get to do at the Florida's first snow park. Within days of opening, the park found itself running out of snow.
Oh,
Had to adjust days and hours of operation to produce more snow to accommodate the influx of guests. That's the problem. You know what the problem with the snow park in Florida is? Snow.
yeah. It's just constantly melting.
And rapidly.
Yeah.
And since you're an avid snowboarder, you know, even when you have decently cold temperature, making snow is hard
Yes.
at the ski hill. Like, they need the right conditions even to make it.
Uh-huh.
Like, what gets pumped into those machines is cold water, right?
Yeah. And it also usually just produces like a grainy texture. It's not like snowflakes.
No, absolutely not. In fact, some people complain that they prefer that they don't like when too much of the slope is
Yeah.
generated.
It needs to be
snow,
a mixture of
made
natural snow and
natural
made snow.
natural snow.
Yeah.
Anyway, so they're making snow here, and when if you're in a hot climate, it's going to be that much harder, I presume, to make it in quantities. There was also other problems. Some photos were released of exposed electrical boxes,
Oh.
unpermitted plumbing, and structural issues.
Oh no.
So there are a couple of problems there, but they say we're going to fix everything up and we're going to come back even stronger next time around. So I don't know, Will, maybe if the snowboarding doesn't come back, you're going to have to head to Florida.
Sure.
I